wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys? And welcome back to part 2. And let me give you guys a quick rundown of part 1. Well, the day started early with plenty of sunshine, and we needed it for today because we were planning to go to a place that's pretty far down south that we were there before like 6 years ago, and we decided to do it one more time today. And so far the luck was in our favor because the surf was pretty calm in the bay and also outside on the Gulf. The surf was so calm that Fresco and Ogita fell asleep almost at halfway point of the trip, and we took over 2 hours long. And once we reached our destination, it was worth the drive because this place is pretty amazing, and there were already lots of local boaters enjoying their day. And we got lucky and found a spot and drove right in. And also the water looked great, so we decided to jump in, and it was awesome because it was at 84 degrees. And after jumping in the water and grabbing a quick cold snack, we decided to walk around the island and check out the rest of the boaters here at Hialeah Island Sandbar. And like you can see, there's plenty of boaters enjoying the island sandbar. And from the tip all the way to the end of the sand on the east side is about roughly 2,000 feet. But on the Gulf side, the island is about 5 miles long of sand, but people tend to hang out on the tip here. And look at this, Fresco found some shells that we're gonna pick up and take back to Oquita.
Oh, right there. No, it's not that one.
Now here's something I saw laying on the sand that kind of puzzled me. And how is it still together? Look at this.
I don't even know how I was holding it.
Dog will bite you.
I like your collection. That's cool. Pretty cool.
Well, if you like flamingos and if you like pink, this definitely is your type of boat. But now we headed back to our boat and we decided to cut our day short here. But it's not over yet because we are missing something. Can you tell what it is? Well, I'm gonna give you a hint. It's the most important part of the day. And you know what that is? Yep, you thought about it. It is food time. But we're gonna do that in our way back. So we're gonna have lunch on another island, adding another adventure to our day. So what do you guys think about this amazing island Sandbar? Let me know what you guys think, and have you guys been here? And looking back, hopefully the dark cloud stays here and doesn't follow us to the next location. And well, off we go on our way back, but now we have a different situation because there's no more calm surf. Now the waves are maybe 1, 2, and occasional 3s, so it's gonna be a bumpy ride on our way back. In about an hour or so of a bumpy ride, we see land ahead. We have arrived in our second destination, Lover's Cay. And yes, we're back because we were here yesterday with our jet skis, but it was just me and Fresco. And if you guys didn't see that video, just wait till the end of this one and click on the thumbnail. Whoa, this is pretty surprising because it's really late in the afternoon plus cloudy weather, but yet there's still a few local boaters here having some fun in the late cloudy sun. Okay, so while we get everything ready to do some food time on the grill, let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the people here enjoying Lover's Cay Island Sandbar. Let's go. And well, you already know that food time is the best part of the day for us. And by the way, that only counts when we're in the water, because when we're in the land, usually Okita's the one doing the cooking, and she definitely doesn't like that time.
Alright guys, guess what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Boom! Nope, it's burger time, baby. Burger time. And where we at? Key Lovers Keep. Wait, Lovers Keep. Fort Myers. Cause we got chased out by the storm. So we're here. You're here? And look who came today. She decided to wake up and come on the boat, right? She's speechless. You missed the water? Oh. Gracias. Gracias. ¿Y cómo te llamas? Eric, de Lehigh, ¿no? Mucho gusto.
Un saludo a Eddie y a su familia aquí celebrando el weekend en Lovers Key. And like I always say, it's a pleasure meeting the fans and their friends and their families that watch the channel. Thank you guys for the love and support. The love is easy. All you have to do is, while you're watching the videos, like them, share them with your friends. And the support is, if you want to donate to the channel, and the support is easy too. All you have to do is donate to the channel or buy your Fresco Channel and Sandbar Life merchandise at www.frescochannel.com. Thank you guys. But now let's go back to important business, and that is food time business. Well, I'm gonna ask you guys a question that I ask myself all the time. Why does the food taste better out in the water? Can anybody answer that? And well, did you guys notice there was two different colors of the patties? Well, one is because it's turkey and the other one is beef. And guess who's eating the turkey? And yep, at least for us, there's nothing better than having a good meal and being on the water. So we're gonna chillax for a little bit, but we noticed some of the people started to leave, and we looked up in the sky and we noticed why. And it's because the cloudy weather is getting closer and closer. So I think we're gonna do what the rest of the boaters are doing, picking up and starting to head back, because we still have another hour right back. And while we were having lunch and enjoying ourselves, the low tide caught us. But luckily we wasn't stuck that much, and the island hopper is pretty light. And we decided to leave just in time because the clouds are getting closer and closer. And you know when you start to feel that cold wind that you know you're about to get hit with the rain? Well, that's what we felt, so we had to get going quick.
Back.
And yep, just like we figured, the surf is still pretty rough, so it's gonna be a bumpy ride. And like usual, we're running away from the rain with the rain runner, so we're gonna leave you behind. Rainy weather. Well, so far so good. We made it back to Sandbar Bridge without getting wet, but the stormy weather is following us pretty close behind.
Look at all the fans. Look at all the fans waiting for us. What's up, buddy? Whoop, whoop.
Now that was pretty cool. All the fans from the west coast, the seagulls and the pelicans waiting for us at Sandbar Bridge. But now it's time to keep riding. And I noticed something. Ogida and Fresco are getting comfortable. I guess they're gonna sleep all the way back home. And this is kind of similar to me because it's the same thing when we do a road trip. I get stuck driving while everybody in the car falls asleep. But I guess they could do that now because we're in the bay already and it's pretty calm. The only thing that hasn't calmed down is the weather because it's still chasing us. Well, look at this. Mother Nature called in her reinforcement because now the cloudy weather is coming ahead of us. So I think they're determined to catch us, but can we outrun the rain with a rain runner? I guess we'll see and find out. And guess what? Yep. The rain runner did his job because we made it back to our main channel without getting wet, but feeling the cold wind right behind us trying to get us wet. But not this time, Mother Nature. Maybe next time. And remember, rain or shine, we'll catch you guys next time out in the water.